When your Sub-Zero refrigerator needs a refresh, this combo pack is a lifesaver. This pack includes both a water filter and an air filter. The Sub-Zero water and air filter combo provides two key replacements. The water filter is like a bouncer for your water. It stops unwanted tastes and odors. Your ice and water will taste so much better. It removes chlorine and other impurities. It's a quick and simple swap. Moreover, the air filter acts as a purifier. It cleans the air inside your fridge. This keeps food fresher, longer. You will notice a difference in food quality. Consequently, your produce stays crisp. It's a simple, yet effective solution. Furthermore, this combo pack ensures your Sub-Zero runs optimally. The Sub-Zero water and air filter combo keeps everything in top shape. The air filter works tirelessly. It fights odors from strong foods. Think of onions or garlic. It keeps smells from mixing. This is a very important feature. Similarly, the water filter is crucial. It gives you clean, clear water. It protects your refrigerator's internal parts. Over time, sediment can build up. This filter prevents that. Therefore, your appliance lasts longer. It's a small investment for long-term health. The installation is straightforward. You don't need any tools. Just twist and replace. Finally, this genuine Sub-Zero product gives peace of mind. The Sub-Zero water and air filter combo is specifically designed for your appliance. It's not a generic part. It fits perfectly. This means no leaks or performance issues. You get the best results. Additionally, using authentic filters maintains your warranty. It's a smart choice for any homeowner. Because of this, you are protecting a major investment. So, when it's time for a change, choose this pack. It's a reliable, trustworthy solution. You will be glad you did. It's an easy way to care for your Sub-Zero. Pros: simple to insert, good value, quick delivery, genuine product, perfect fit for Sub-Zero. Great price, ships same day, easy to install, good filter, original part fits nicely. Perfect components. Cons: used filter full of sand and rocks, no one answers the customer service number, tiny bits of glass on new cartridge, missing air filter from order. Features: includes water filter, includes air filter, replaces part 4,204,490, replaces part 7,007,067. Ensures cleaner water, improves air quality, easy to install, OEM quality filters. This is a Sub-Zero filter combo pack that includes both a water filter and an air filter. The pack replaces old parts numbered 4,204,490 and 7007067. Using these filters helps make your water cleaner and improves the air quality inside your refrigerator. They are easy to install and are the same high quality as the original filters that came with your appliance. Customers are generally pleased with the Sub-Zero refrigerator replacement water and air filter combo pack, praising its easy installation and perfect fit. Many consider it a good value for the price and appreciate the quick, same-day shipping of the genuine parts. However, some customers have reported issues, such as a missing air filter, tiny pieces of glass on a new cartridge, and a used filter that appeared to contain sand and rocks. There are also complaints about a non-responsive customer service number.